If you are a student preparing for JAMB, WAEC, or NECO, look at your screen right now. Stop scrolling. Open your browser and type in link to alphatekx.name.ng. What you are looking at is an elite 8-in-1 academic weapon. We are talking about a website reader, exam AI engine, video generator, voice generator, studio scriptwriter, and contract detector all in one place. But today, I'm not even going to show you the creator's tools. I want to show you the ultimate cheat code for your exams, the student library. Click on Sign Up. Best part? Accessing this platform is literally cheaper than the money you use to buy pure water daily. No excuses. Once you click Student Prep, look at this interface. Real past questions for JAMB, WAEC, and NECO in a realistic, real-time CBT environment. Let's set up a mock exam right now. Exam type: JAMB. Subject: Biology. Year: 2025. Let's begin. Boom! The past questions load instantly. Look at question 1 on kidney functions, question 2 on hormones, question 3 on organelle functions. Let's say you're rushing through, you pick your answers, and you hit submit. Boom! You get your score instantly. But here is where it feels completely illegal. Usually, when you fail a question in a textbook, you get stressed and confused. Not here. Watch this. Click on Question Review, then hit AI Review. Tell it, explain everything from the beginning. Click Send. Give it a few seconds to load. Look at that. The AI literally speaks to you naturally. Says, hello there, don't be discouraged by this result, let's get you started. It breaks down the biology, explains why option C was correct, and teaches you the concept so you never miss it again. And it's not just biology. You have a personal notebook, where you can select English language, organize your comprehension passages, and save your personal study notes. Stuck on a wicked mathematics problem? Go to the AI tutor. Type in 2x plus 5 equals 15, and it doesn't just give you the answer, it collects like terms and teaches you the algebra step by step. It's like having a personal professor in your pocket 24/7. If you want to pass your exams instantly, with zero stress and maximum confidence, everything you need to know is right here. Your mates are already using this tool to clear their syllabuses while you are still flipping heavy textbooks. Don't lag behind. Go to link to alphatekx.name.ng right now, and try it out for yourself. Link is in the description and pinned comment. Go get your straight A's. Thank you.